What's up, guys? This is your mentor signing in, guys. It's been a very long time without dropping a video, mainly because we've been having a lot going on. We've been compiling and finally completed the FSGO 3.0 course, of which you can click the link in the description to be able to purchase the FSGO 3.0 course. Another thing, I've been trading, live trading Euraud and the Nasdaq. I was catching Euraud buys and Nasdaq sells on this particular video, and I'll be showing you how to capitalize and maximize on your profits trading US 100 and trading the Euraud as well. So another thing that I want to be telling you guys about, do also remember that the signal room is still running. To access the signal room, click on the link in the description. Free signals for everybody. So yes, more information will be also dropping on this channel. We're finally back, guys. We're finally back. FSGO 3.0 has launched and we're here, guys. So without wasting any of your guys' time, I'd like you to take a pen, take a paper, sit down, take notes, and do not forget anything that has been taught in this video, as everything is fruitful. So I'll see you in the next slide. So
I'm actually holding Euraud. I just entered Euraud right now with buying orders. I'm mainly seeing that we passed over this level right here. This level of support over here. We had a head price over here, we had a shoulder price over here, we had another shoulder price over here, and the market broke into this area here, this zone over here. So I'm expecting further pushes to the upside on the Euraud, further pushes to the upside, and I actually sent the signal out to my signal room not so long ago. So I'll be just updating their group right now. Bullish pattern confirmed, so they're going to be chowing the Euraud buys. So I'll give you guys a trade update on this signal later on in the day as the day goes by. So this is FSGO mentor.
FSGO mentor. We're still trading the same account on Euraud. I was actually still looking at another trade opportunity on the Nasdaq. Let me just rotate my screen so that you guys can see what I've been looking for. As you can see, we've been having some pushes to the upside, to the downside, coming from these upper prices over here. Market broke below this zone over here, of which acted as a major resisting price. So after we pushed to the downside, you can see that we're having some sort of correction over here. So I want to be properly marking out my correction, but I want to first dive to my line chart and readjust my horizontal lines. Let me just the lowest point here, and then let me just draw these lines properly out here. As you can see, these are our correcting prices. So market obviously bounced over to off of that resisting price over there. So we're still looking for pushes to the downside. We're expecting further pushes to the downside on the Nasdaq. So let me just enter on 2 orders, just to be safe. Just to enter on 2 orders. I will scale in later as time goes. Let me just divert back to my candlestick charts, and this is what we have on the Nasdaq. So we're expecting further pushes to the downside. So I'm going to be holding this trade together with the Euraud buys, and yeah, this is the same account that has been traded. Thank you, guys. Let's go to your mentors. This is trade update, guys. As you can see, we're floating in deep profits. You can see Nasdaq is playing out perfectly to our setup over here. We actually entered target price over here by our level of support. Let me just dive to my H4. You can see the correction is actually breaking out over here. I'm actually not in the office. I'm actually out right now, so you can hear some background noises. I apologize for that. And you can see our Euraud is also actually playing out to our trade setup properly over here. Remember that we hit target on our Euraud trade, same account traded, and this is FSGO mentor. I'll give you another update later on. FSGO mentor trade update, guys. We actually hit target on our US 100 on all orders, and we're actually still holding on Euro odd, about 600 bucks on Euro odd. Our bullish setup has been complete. It has been successfully complete, but we are still gonna hold a bit because I can see that we are reaching a level of resistance of which is now turned into a newly formed supporting price over there. So we can see that we still have pushes to the upside, further pushes to the upside to be expected. So let me just go back to our US 100 to see how the trade setup played out. Oh, as you can see, guys, remember we actually took our trade upon this structure over here. Seeing this structure, I'm sorry, market broke out of this, and then we came to retest, and then we can see that this was some sort of a corrective pattern. So we took our entry upon this break over here until this level of support. So market has fortunately triggered our target prices, as you can see over there. You may hear some noises in my background, but I'm still currently out in the mall right now. So I'll come back again later to give you another trade update. Same account traded, 600 bucks, still floating. So let's go to your mentor. Another trade update, guys. As you can see, we're around 500. I'm sorry, we're around 850. $850 floating. As you can see, that price that we anticipated a break and retest for further continuations to the upside. As you can see, that market, however, broke above this price and then shot up to the upside. Let me move over to my much higher time frames. If I can move to my H1, you can see my Euro order still playing out perfectly. Market impulse coming from the downside to the upper part of the trend, and then it reversed around these areas of resistance here, and then it fell in, and then we're going into further buying opportunities to the upside. So I'm currently still holding on Euro odd, just a few dollars shy away from $1,000, and US 100 hit our TP, same account that we're still trading. And yeah, thank you guys. I'll come back again to give you another trade update. I'm actually currently still out. As you can hear, I'm still having a few noises in my background at the mall right now. I'll come back again later on for another trade update. Let's go to your mentor. We're back again, guys. As you can see, we're floating 1,000 bucks on the Euro odd. On the Euro odd, this was a very successful trade run on the Euro odd. Let me just rotate my screen and show you guys this particular pattern. As you can see, this was one of the patterns that we were teaching in the FX Good 2.0 about impulse and correction. But to get more detailed information about that, you can also click on the link in the description to get the hold of your FX Good 2.0 lifetime course, of which is not discontinued and will not be discontinued. So before actually doing much, I wanted to actually just show you this trade setup on the Euro odd. That was it for me, guys. I'll come back again later on to give you a last and final trade update and to show you guys how we've been trading this account. If it's got your mentor, guys, as you can see, we're still having little to no market volatility at this current moment in time. So what I'll be doing, I'll just be securing my trades on the Euro odd. I'll come back again later on to see what other trade opportunity I can still capitalize on. So right now, I just want to be showing you guys the importance of actually opening and closing your trades. So this is one of the examples that I'm using to close my trade. So now we're just securing trades on the Euro odd, and we're walking away with a successful trade run on the Euro odd with about an equity of just above $2 or $3 shy of $3,000. So this is the same account traded. This is go to your mentor. Okay, now that you have gotten to the last part of the video, I want to say thank you so much kindly hit that like, hit that subscribe button as well. Remember that the FS Go 3.0 course is officially launched for $400. No more $100 piece here. The course is now launched for $400. This is FS Go, your mentor, and I'm signing out.